Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Jessica, and today I'll be introducing you to one of our most exciting new products, the AL3 Pro, Worksport's premium, low-profile, all-aluminum hard tonneau cover. The AL3 Pro is a revolution in design that sets it apart in a crowded market. Engineered from the ground up, it represents a new and innovative approach on how hard tonneau covers are manufactured so that we'd be able to deliver one of the most aggressively priced hard covers on the market without sacrificing user experience and durability. Manufactured with precision right here in the USA, the AL3 Pro marks a breakthrough in hard aluminum tonneau covers. Redefining excellence through simplicity, it's available for nearly every truck make and model and arrives fully assembled, offering you a ready-to-install solution right out of the box. When we say tough, we're talking about real, measurable resilience, and that's exactly what sets the AL3 Pro apart. It's not just any hardcover, it's our most durable one yet, boasting the thickest, heavy-gauge aluminum panels available in its class. When compared to other leading hardcovers on the market, the AL3 Pro stands out. To understand what that means, picture hailstones up to ½ an inch in diameter. The AL3 Pro can take a beating, keeping your cargo safe while your cover stays sleek. Being truly tough isn't just about being dent resistant, it's about providing the best protection possible. That's why our hardcovers are made using a single heavy-gauge, precision-shaped aluminum panel, expertly bent to form a seamless and robust structure that won't retain water and can support the weight of a fully grown person, while still being the lightest hardcover we've ever made. This unique combination means that not only does it offer unparalleled protection for your truck and cargo, but it's also incredibly easy to handle. In fact, it's so light that one person can install the cover in under 10 minutes without breaking a sweat. With the AL3 Pro, you're getting the best of both worlds: ultimate toughness and a sleek, lightweight design that keeps your cargo safe and your truck looking great. It doesn't just stop at being tough, it's also about turning heads. So we've taken protection and style to the next level with our exclusive diamond shield finish on the top and bottom of the panels, which can be exposed to the elements when the cover is folded for incremental bed access. The special treatment doesn't stop with the panels. The aluminum frame and cross members are coated in a textured matte black finish that catches the eye while offering maximum protection against harsh weather and the kind of scratches or abrasions that come from everyday use. The AL3 Pro also boasts zinc nickel-plated hardware and fasteners with a minimum of 500-hour salt spray resistance, plastics that are tested in all weather conditions so that the cover works as designed, no matter what, and UV-protected triple fin seals for maximum weather resistance, keeping your cargo safe over the lifespan of the cover. The AL3 Pro also features Worksport's brand new quick latch system. This new design is more robust, easier to use, and simple to replace if damaged. Thanks to our unique latching system, opening and closing your tonneau cover has never been quicker or easier, making accessing your cargo effortless. Whether you're in a rush to cover your gear before a storm hits, or just loading up for the day. Along with that, we also introduced more advanced latch adjustability to ensure a better fit, and a new, smaller bracket hardware design that doesn't use C-clamps and won't obstruct your cargo in any way. As you know, there's always risks involved with keeping valuables in the bed of your truck, and we recognize that security is paramount. As the first line of defense, the AL3 Pro, like all our other covers, will keep exposed tools and equipment out of sight, preventing your truck from being a potential target of theft. Additionally, its more robust aluminum panels provide the ultimate protection against forced entry, making it even more difficult to access the contents of your truck bed. Worksport's AL3 Pro brings top-notch features expected from a leading tonneau cover, with special attention to durability, cost, customer experience, and is proudly made in the USA with more than 90% domestic content. We offer free same-day shipping, a 3-year limited warranty against defects, and guarantee your complete satisfaction or your money back. If you have any questions about Worksport and its products, please contact our dedicated customer service teams in Canada and the USA, or learn more at www.worksport.com.